No matter what type of riding you do, getting the right cycling clothing can really transform your experience. Let's start with cycling shorts. Why invest in a pair of cycling shorts? Well, cycling shorts are made from stretchy elastane fabric, making them very comfortable and aerodynamic. They also have built-in padding to give additional comfort to the points that get very sore in the saddle. The longer the ride, the better the cycle short and padding you'll need. As you move up our shorts range, you'll notice the density of the padding improves to keep you comfortable for longer rides. Shorts with more panels also offer a better fit as they mould to your body better. If you don't feel comfortable wearing a traditional snug fit pair, we have baggy shorts that also come with built-in padding. Great for leisure riding, commuting and mountain bike riding. For greater comfort and longer rides, you should consider bib shorts. Bib shorts are great because you don't have the elastic waistband of standard cycling shorts digging into you, and the shoulder straps hold the shorts in place for maximum comfort. Once you've worn bib shorts, you'll never go back to standard cycling shorts. Cycling jerseys are another essential item. They are made from specialist fabrics that are breathable. They absorb and draw off sweat, keeping you cool and dry when you're working hard in the saddle. They also come with easy access rear pockets to hold your riding essentials, for example keys, phone or nutrition gels. Thermal long sleeve jerseys are great for riding and commuting over the winter, with an extra layer to keep you warm. For more information on winter layering, check our winter clothing video here. Fingerless cycling mitts are another great essential, keeping your hands dry, comfortable and protected whilst maintaining a safe grip on the handlebars. Spend a little extra and you'll get improved breathability and gel padding for greater comfort. Full finger gloves are a must for colder weather. Made from warmer thermal materials, which are water resistant or fully waterproof, they keep your hands dry and warm. Top tip, look out for high-vis colours. They are great for commuters. For more info on any of the products you've seen in this video, feel free to pop into your local Halfords store or check them out online.